Fox 5 News at 10 starts right now.
Well, Wild Motorcycles held an open house and stunt show today.
You had a big event yesterday.
Yes, we did.
An open house, stunt show. Our cameras were there for all the festivities.